Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we got a quick little one here. We got a blaster of Parkhurst 1819, 10 cards per pack, 12 cards per box, or 12 packs per box. So let's get all of them out of here. Boom. Okay. So that's all our packs. Move that over there and let's get into it. Let's see what we got. Hoping for an autograph, but the blue parallel autographs are 1 in 480, so might be a challenge. Line A: Butcher, Dubnik, McAvoy, Pozo, Ekblad, and oh my, okay, nice hit. All right, we got an original 6 past Tim Horton. That's a nice card, actually. I'm gonna sleeve that right now. That's a very nice card, actually. Wow. Okay. Not expecting too much from this set, but that's a very nice card. Okay, we got Ethan Bear rookie. That's a nice card too. Devin Shore and Damon Severinson. All right, so that was a nice hit. So let's see what else we got. All right, we got a Marcus Johansson, Jonathan Duran, Sebastian Aho, Jason Palmville, Jaden Schwartz, and we have Jonathan Tays, Parkhurst permits. Okay, wow. Very, very shiny. And then the permit on the back there, Canada. Very nice card, okay. So off to a pretty good start. We got Maxim Lejoul for a rookie, so not bad. Zach Wierenski, Jesse Pugliarvi, and we got an all-star of Brock Besser. Okay. Very nice. Alright, so here we go. Colton Pranko, Josh Bailey, Travis Konechny, Pecorine, Freddie Anderson, and we got Zdeno Chara, View from the Ice. Newest Washington Capital. Cool. Rookies, Andreas Janssen, New Jersey Devils now. Henrik Lundqvist, Devontae Smith-Pelly, and Paul Stastny. So far, so good. I mean, we've done fairly well this blaster so far, and hopefully it keeps going here. Whoa! My bad, guys. We'll keep her going here. All right. That was my bad. A little technical difficulties there. All right, take these off here. All right, so we got Ricard Raquel, Brett Pesce, Hampus Lindholm, Derek Stefan, Matt Duchene, Alexander Steen, Connor Sheary, Michael Rasmussen, rookie, Alex Galchenyuk, and Matthew Perreault. So it was a base pack that time. Bound to happen with this set. We got another shiny. Okay, we got Leon Draisaitl, nice card. Andre Vasilevsky, Nico Hischier, Sven Berchi, Taylor Hall, and we got prominent prospects, Dylan Dubé. Very nice card, actually. Wow. Very nice card. All right, I'll take it. Christian Vesalainen, rookie for the Jets. All-Star Brayden Holtby, Michael Del Zotto, and Kale Clutterbuck. Okay, we're going to go with Ryan Donato for rookie. Michael Bodker, Jake Gensel, All-Star Anze Kopitar, Nikolai Ehlers, Victor Rask, Riley Smith, Michael Backlund, Braden Point, and we got Eli Tolvanen as the prominent prospects. All right, so that's really good. I'm going to check quickly what the odds on that are. Prominent prospects, 1 in 4. Okay, so that's nothing crazy. That's nothing crazy. Ain't many hits you can get in this box, but doing pretty good so far. Some pretty good names. Justin Falk, Andrew Cogliano, Arteri Panarin, Johnny Boychuk, Timo Meier, and we got future Pavel Buchnevich for the Rangers. Original 6, future. So I have a past and now I got a future. We got a rookie, Isaac Lundstrom. We got a rookie, Travis Dermott. Oh, double rookie. Alexander Edler and Tyler Bozak. Okay, guys, so we're doing pretty good so far. I would say we're doing fairly well. We have 5 more packs. I have my wife here with me today, and I have my dog. Our dog, Henry, just turned 4 today. It's on Valentine's Day. So happy birthday, buddy. Duncan Keith. Dylan Larkin. Connor Hellebuck. Craig Anderson. Torrey Krug. Vladislav Nenestov. We got rookie. Christopher In. Holy, okay. Vincent Trocheck, Corey Perry, and All-Star Steven Stamkos. So that's pretty nice. Okay. Okay, we got TJ Oshie, Sergei Bobrovsky, Colin Miller, Kristen Dvorak, Oscar Klefbom, and we have prominent prospects, Zach Ashton Reese. Nice. Antti Sumela, Ryan McDonough, Colin Wilson, and Antoine Roussel. All right, so down to 3 packs left. We're cooking along here, so we'll get these last 3 going. Hopefully, looking for a blue card that's autograph, which would be absolutely exceptional. Okay, we got a Joe Thornton now in my Maple Leafs. Let's go. He's come back too. Jake Allen. We got Alex Tuck, Connor Brown, Carey Price, Ben Bishop, and we got Alexander Ovechkin, View from the Ice. It's actually a pretty good name to get. Miro Heiskanen, that's a very good rookie card to get. Tyler Bertuzzi and PK Subban at the All-Star game. Miro Heiskanen, rookie's really good one to get. He's a really good player. Same with that View from the Ice for Ovechkin. That's really good. I think we got a base pack here, guys. Jacob Slavin, Boone Jenner, Alexander Barkov, Cam Atkinson, Kyle Connor. No, we got a gold. We got a gold border. So we got Tyler Seguin gold. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure. Rookie Cartier. And then we have Jonathan Quick. We have an Edmonton Oilers McDavid checklist. And we got Zdeno Chara. So let's see what those gold ones are. The gold is 1 in 200 packs. So that's actually a pretty good hit. I would much rather have a blue sign card, but hey, I'll take what I can get. Alex Pietrangelo, Jason Spezza, Milan Lucic, Jack Eichel, Eric Holla, Brent Seabrook. We got Eli Tolvanen, rookie. I think I already had him. James Van Riemsdyk, Jimmy Vesey, and Carey Price, all-star. Okay, guys, so that's it for the blaster break tonight. It was a pretty good break. Got a ton. Just out of the 12 packs there, you got this many base cards. And then you got this many hits and this many hits. So for the actual hits, we didn't do too bad, but well, look how many hits you get out of that box. So, all right, I'll go through them quickly. All-Star Carey Price, rookie Eli Tolvanen. We got a checklist of McDavid. Rookie Cartier. We got a gold Tyler Seguin, which is actually nice. That's 1 in 200 packs. All-Star PK Subban. We got a rookie Miro Heiskanen. Sumela, rookie. All-Star Stammer. We got Christopher N for rookie. Travis Dermott for rookie. Isaac Lundstrom, rookie. Andre Kopitar, All-Star. Ryan Donato, rookie. Braden Holtby, All-Star. We got Vasalainen, rookie. Rasmussen, rookie. Darius Johnson, rookie. Brock Besser, All-Star. Rookie. Maxim Jolie. Ethan Bear, rookie. So then we got view from the ice of the Washington Capitals, the captain, Ovechkin. We got prospect prominent Zach Ashton Reese for the Pittsburgh Penguins. We have original 6 future of Pavel Buchnevich. We have prominent prospect Eli Tolvanen. We got prominent prospects Dylan Dubé, actually very good prospect right there. View from the ice, Big Z, Zdeno Chara, now with the Washington Capitals, so these two actually play together now. We have the Parkhurst permit for Mr. Jonathan Toews. And my favorite hit of the pack is the past original 6 Tim Horton card. That is a beautiful card, very well represented, very nice card. Definitely going in the PC. All right, everybody. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're all staying safe, and take care of your loved ones, and we'll be back soon with some more content. All right, for now, have a good one.